guys, it's Melanie and welcome to Living Luxuriously for Less. In today's video, we're going to take a journey to this beautiful venue located in the heart of historic downtown Madison, Alabama. It is called the Bell House, and we recently hosted an incredibly gorgeous Cloud9 themed baby shower right here in this event space. Now, one of the things that really captivated me with this space is that it is literally a blank slate. Now, outdoors, it's very spacious. You could really extend your party or your event to the outdoor space. But on the inside, you also have very spacious room to be able to design however you choose. Now, you had to bring in your tables and your chairs, etc. But I love the fact that we started with a blank slate. And when I say blank, you guys, I mean blank. So one of the things that my client wanted to do was to cover up the TV screens. And so that was one of my main focal areas, was to do draping to cover up the TV screens. Now, when I show you the after, you're going to notice one thing. I want you to notice the line of the draping, because the ceiling has a very distinct line, and I wanted the draping, as you can see here, to match the distinctiveness of the ceiling. So all the way across, where the drape slants, where the ceiling slants, the drape also slants. And where the ceiling is straight, the drapes are also straight. I absolutely love the way that this turned out. The draping, the florals, the lighting, the colors. I really did a lot of DIYs using my Cricut. I DIY'd some napkins, the actual pillowcases, and the dance floor. There were so many amazing things that I was able to DIY using my Cricut. We brought in the acrylic chairs for rentals, and a lot of the items that I used, I'm going to link it here on YouTube, and I'll also leave an Amazon link down below as well. Now, one of the things when you're shopping here on YouTube, while you're watching, the product may pop up at the bottom of the screen. And so a lot of times, if I don't say check in the description box, just look at the bottom of the screen. You should be able to see the full product. So back to this event. The mother-to-be and father-to-be absolutely loved the way that it turned out. We really mixed in the rich velvet, so you'll see that in the linens and in the tablecloths. The florals were absolutely gorgeous. I just cannot say enough things about how beautiful this turned out. For the plates, we used the blue and gold plates, and all of the guests arrived wearing blue or denim of some sort. And when I tell you guys it was beautiful, it was absolutely stunning. So I'm going to show you a few of the professional photos with some music for your listening pleasure. And be sure to come back, because I have some important announcements around your opportunity to join me to learn how to decorate events on a budget. And I also have some special announcement at the end of the video, so you don't want to miss it.
Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time.
Are you passionate about event design and decor? Or do you find yourself dreaming of turning your passion into a profitable business? Well, if so, look no further than Lux Academy. Our online, self-paced, and in-person courses will provide you with all the tools, resources, and guidance that you need to establish a successful business in the wedding and event planning industry. From contracts and pricing to financing and branding, we have got you covered. With our Lux lectures, our labs, and our legacies, you'll gain the knowledge and the insight you will need to create beautiful backdrops, stunning centerpieces, and you will also learn how to negotiate and host client consultations. Join us at Lux Academy and turn your passion into profit by enrolling today. Payment plans are available. We also have free classes that are offered, so be sure to check us out at luxacademy.online. your calendars today for the 2025 year. We only have one hands-on event left, and that is going to be the most epic, largest, over the top wedding I have ever done. And I think I only have like 6 spots left. So as of today, when I'm recording this video, that is all I have left, you guys. So you definitely want to join in on that. And speaking on joining in, I have literally been incognito. I've been attending a lot of YouTube events. I have been to the prophetic conference called Mantle, which took place in Orlando. I have been planning extremely beautiful weddings and baby showers and corporate events and so many different things. I think I'm going to have to start grouping the content together because I have so much content to share. And so I want you guys to tell me in the comments if you would like for me to do, like, if I did pink weddings, would you like me to group like 3 different pink weddings that I've decorated all in one video, just to give you all an idea of, the amount of content that I have. Now I'm going to shift gears a little bit here, and I want to talk to you guys about a new trend, and you probably have seen them popping up, and they are called floral bars or floral trucks. And so these have been popping up at a lot of events. People really enjoy making their DIY bouquets, and you can do this on a budget. I think it'll be a really fun activity for a girls' night or a baby shower or bridal shower. It is super, super fun. One of the things that I would highly recommend is having a professional florist on hand to assist your guest with properly arranging bouquets. And you would be just amazed at how easy it is. You want to just start with your greenery, and then you want to start laying them down and layering them in. And because that is a way that you can kind of see each of the flowers that you use inside of the actual bouquet. And so I absolutely love this activity. It is so hands-on and definitely something that I recommend you to do for your next bridal shower or corporate event or women's themed event. Speaking of events, I have finally locked in a warehouse, and I cannot wait to share it with you guys. So at this current state, we are in the beginning processes of moving, and I don't know if you guys remember this video, but in this video, I took you guys on a tour of all of the warehouses that we were looking at the time. I told you guys about some pros and cons, and you weighed in the comments, and I took into consideration your comments along with some of the things my husband and I were considering as well. And, i.e. budget, safety, all those things are very important. And so in the next video, I think I'm going to be announcing the location and some other really, 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 really important information. So hopefully the warehouse will be moved enough to be able to share some things with you. And once I get this up and going, I'm going to also start a mentorship program where you can come to me and I will mentor you for a week-long program and help you with all things event, setting up honeybook, draping, just about everything. So definitely keep your eyes peeled for that. That's going to probably be released in the 4th quarter, but definitely keep your eyes pierced. But I want you guys to tell me down in the chat, did you think I went with this option or the second option that I'm going to be sharing with you guys in just a moment? The one that had a single door, okay, or this one that had the double door on the front. Let me know which location you thought I went with down in the comments. And don't forget to sign up for Lux Academy for the October 2025 hands-on. And we also offer classes online every day. You can start and finish at your own pace. And you're also going to be in that same class. You're going to be mentored by me monthly. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I'll see you guys at the next one. Until next time, it's Melanie. Cheers!